So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yep.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
We flash briefly to the driver. We see a car speeding down the road, maybe weaving, tinted windows, hands gripping the wheel tightly. The driver's face is not fully revealed, just the intensity in posture, the speedometer climbing. The narrator introduces the motivation. He said he hates cops, framing the action as deliberate, emotional, not just negligent. We see the cruiser ahead. The driver swerves, the camera shakes, and the car slams into the police vehicle. Metal crunches. The force reverberates. The cruiser jolts, sirens blare. Officers are thrown off balance.
Fairview 187. My vehicle's just been hit. Start an ambulance.
Hey, what happened?
You tell me!
I need a new car.
Somebody ran into me, pushed my vehicle into the other vehicle, start an ambulance, need a supervisor.
The crash is abrupt. The driver's car slams into the rear or side of the police cruiser. Glass shatters, body panels dent, doors swing, alarms go off. The impact is dramatic. Officers lurch forward. Some maybe stumble or brace themselves. The camera, dash cam or body cam, captures the shock, the screeching tires, the crunch, the sudden silence. One officer shouts orders, "Stay down. Don't move." The driver's vehicle door may jerk open. The driver may attempt to exit or lurch inside. The smoke and debris swirl. Bystanders gasp. Other police units converge.
Here, come over here, buddy. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else in the car?
Nah, it's just me.
187. Start a trooper. Here.
Officers rush the scene, draw weapons, order the driver to lie prone, hands in the air. The driver, shaken or defiant, either complies or resists slightly. Officers approach with caution. They tell him, "Get down, hands behind your back." He is handcuffed, possibly arguing, "I hate cops. I don't care," or making provocative statements. The officers maintain control, cuff him, lead him away. Nearby, backup police block traffic, secure the area. Inspect both vehicles for damage. Look for evidence, skid marks, bullet or damage, phone logs. The narrator notes, a criminal act masked as protest or hate.
Just sit down, man. Just sit down.
All right.
The driver tells me he's been drinking and took some weed pills.
Here, let me get
No.
my phone.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay? Hey, you guys all right up in there? All right, just hang tight, okay?
Can I stand up? My head's getting light.
Just sit down, man. You just in a bad accident. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? You wandering around out in that traffic, somebody gonna hit you.
Somebody gonna hit me.
Detectives arrive. They interview officers involved, survey the crash site, inspect the driver's car, and search the driver for weapons. They examine the driver's criminal history, possible statements, mental state. They may search his phone or social media to confirm his hatred of cops' motive, posts, messages, rants. They process the police cruiser for damage, log the scene, photograph debris, trace the angle of impact. The narrator speculates. Was this planned? Or a spur-of-the-moment outburst of rage? Was the driver intoxicated, on drugs, or in emotional crisis?
I got insurance. It ain't gonna cover that though.
Well, I don't know, but that's not what we're concerned about right now. We're concerned about everybody's okay, all right?
All right. I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You're bored?
I'm bored.
The driver is booked, cuffed, placed in a cruiser. Officers inspect the damaged cruiser, call for tow trucks. The precinct may issue a statement. Officer was not seriously injured. This appears deliberate. Charges pending. Local media reports the dramatic collision. Bystanders share footage. Hatred toward law enforcement boiled over into violence. The video uses this case to warn. Animosity isn't justification for assault. The closing shot. The driver led away, flashing red and blue lights, illuminating night, and the battered cruiser left smoking in the street.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yep.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah? All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
All right.
All right.
They gonna take me home or I'm going?
I don't know. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead and put your hand behind your back for me.
All right. So am I going in the ambulance?
They're going to come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
All right.
You put my wallet back in my pocket?
Yeah.